To find and manage sound settings on POCO X7 Pro, all you need to do is go to the settings, and then into settings we need to scroll down just a little bit to find sound and vibration. And if you go over here, you can set up a different notification sound, a different ringtone, or even the default alarm sound. You can adjust the volume of media, ringtone, and the alarm. You can find some sound options where we can enter the silent mode. We can silence media in the silent mode, and we can also find the D&D mode, which is of course do not disturb. And we also have vibration options as well, where we can enable and disable vibrations for calls and in the silent mode. And we can also enable and disable the haptic feedback or adjust the haptic feedback level. We also have sound effects, where we can enable and disable the Dolby Atmos or Xiaomi sound. We can also find the graphic equalizer. We have the immersive sound option, and we also have earphone control section where we can adjust or what should happen with the headphone remote buttons. And we can also assign buttons if a headphone is detected, of course. And we also have additional settings where we find even more stuff like the volume adjustment section and the system sounds, which can be enabled and disabled. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!